Are you tired of spending your weekends pushing a heavy lawnmower around your yard? The WORX WR230 Landroid Vision Robotic Lawnmower might be the game changer you've been waiting for. This cutting-edge robotic mower promises to take the hassle out of lawn maintenance with its advanced AI technology and wire-free setup. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's take an in-depth look. The WORX Landroid Vision boasts a sleek, modern design equipped with an advanced AI navigation system. This allows the mower to operate without the need for traditional boundary wires. Instead, it uses an HDR camera to scan its surroundings and differentiate between grass, obstacles, and non-grass areas, navigating your lawn with precision. One of the most notable features is the cut-to-edge functionality, which enables the mower to trim grass close to the edges, reducing the need for additional trimming. The floating deck design ensures an even cut on uneven terrain. Moreover, the mower is equipped to handle slopes up to 30%, making it suitable for various lawn types. The Landroid Vision also supports multi-zone management, allowing it to handle complex lawn layouts. With the WORX Landroid app, you can easily set mowing schedules, control multiple zones, and receive real-time updates on the mower status. Setting up the WORX WR230 is straightforward. Simply charge the battery, pair the mower with the app, and follow the on-screen instructions. The mower will perform an initial exploratory run to map your lawn. From there, it takes care of the rest, moving according to the set schedule. The app interface is user-friendly and offers various features such as scheduling, manual start and stop commands, and status updates. Additionally, the mower can learn and improve its performance over time, adapting to your lawn's unique layout and conditions. Want to make your lawn care easier and more efficient? Click the link in the description to check out the WORX Landroid Vision Robotic Lawnmower on Amazon and take the first step towards hassle-free lawn maintenance. This section outlines the main strengths and weaknesses of the WORX WR230, providing a balanced view to help you make an informed decision. Drawbacks: random cutting pattern, handling obstacles, hefty price tag, edge cutting limitations. Despite these drawbacks, the WORX also brings several innovative and practical features to the table, making it a strong contender in the robotic mower market. Benefits: no boundary wires, AI-driven navigation, user-friendly app, quiet operation, water-resistant design, and power share battery system. What do you think about the WORX? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The WORX Landroid Vision Robotic Lawnmower represents a significant step forward in lawn care technology with its AI-driven, wire-free navigation. While it has some areas for improvement, particularly in navigation and edge cutting, it offers numerous benefits in terms of convenience, ease of use, and quiet operation. For homeowners looking to save time and effort on lawn maintenance, the WORX is a compelling option. Its advanced features and integration with the WORX ecosystem make it a valuable investment for tech-savvy users. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights into the latest lawn care technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and helpful tips. Happy moving!